Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening taskbar settings so you can target the weather widget directly. Right-click an empty area of the taskbar and choose Taskbar Settings. This brings up the taskbar section in settings where widgets are listed. Once the settings page opens, locate the widget's toggle and the small arrow for related options. This is where you begin disabling the weather card. Make sure you have the taskbar visible and not locked behind a secondary display before proceeding. Now disable the widget itself to remove the weather icon from your taskbar. Toggle off widgets in taskbar settings. Once turned off, the weather card and feed disappear. If you prefer finer control, open the widget's flyout first, click the 3 dots on the weather card and choose Remove Card. This prevents reappearing items. Also, consider signing out of the Microsoft account in the feed to stop personalized content. Doing so reduces data-driven suggestions. Finish by confirming the change and handling lingering instances. If the weather icon still appears, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager. That refreshes the taskbar immediately. For stubborn cases, uninstall News or MSN Weather apps in Settings Apps and then reboot. If the widget is enforced by an organization, check group policy or registry keys. Make sure you have permission before editing. If edits fail, restore settings and contact an administrator to avoid unintended system changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.